All right. So I just got back from Harbor Frieght, where I picked up a little workbench type of thing. It was cheap. Got the drawers I need, and it's got a wood top. So I thought I'd just document this a little bit. Wow, the packaging is good. I will unpack it a little bit. Looks like we're going to have to do a little bit of assembly, but I'm thankful it came as big as it did. Maybe the casters and handles, but let me get it unpacked. Right off the bat, I'm impressed with the packaging. You take the bands off, this super rigid thing just slides right off. But wow, I am impressed in the packaging. Ooh, all right. Some drawer matting. Let's see. All right, all the drawers lock. I like how the key bends too. Somewhere here, there must be casters. Ah, here's the box of goodies. Handle, and probably the casters. All right. Not bad for China. Wrench. Alrighty. Got the handle on. Flipped it up on its side. And I will put these on now. I can tell you it's not absolute junk. I know it's China, or I think it's China, but, and especially with this darn Corona stuff, I don't even want to touch it, but not junk. All right, let me put the casters on. Okay, there's the casters on. I've seen, can you hear how loud that is? But probably adequate. It's got some slop in it, but all in all, still a good deal so far. Okay, all put together. Got the padding, which is, you know, it's only worth 10 cents, but it was nice they included it. It teeters significantly. Maybe once I get some weight in it, it'll find its own level. But one of the things that I noticed that was disappointing is it looks like there's a space right there, and there's not a space there. Like this could have been hit at one time, and the front is already sagging some, so that could be a problem. But you get what you pay for. And overall, I guess it's all right. Maybe I'll check back in a couple months when it's full and I've figured it out. But that'll do it for the Yukon 46-inch Harbor Frieght Workbench